friends, today I am back here in my kitchen chop and choose at bakes.com and I am here with a new recipe that is called veg mayonnaise cheese dosa. It is a lovely dish you can cook at home in an easy method. I am going to tell you what all the ingredients we have to take for this. I have taken dosa batter, idli dosa batter. It is not like that you have to grind it at home itself. You can buy outside flour also. I have taken 2 large onions. I have grated this in the chopper. I have grated finely in this with the help of this chopper. And I have taken 2 medium size of tomatoes. I have grated that too in the chopper itself. And 1 capsicum I have taken. I have cut this very finely. And 1 big carrot. I have grated this with the help of the grater. In this I have grated the carrot. And we need idli chili powder. I have taken this brand. You can take any brand. That's no problem. I have taken this brand. Ask for idli chili powder. You will get in shops. It is available in the shops itself. And for that I am going to use veg mayo. You can take any brand again. I have taken Amul cheese. With the help of these all ingredients, I am going to show you how to make vegetable mayonnaise cheese dosa now. Now look, I have mixed the batter to this consistency. We need oil also for that. Let us see the procedure how to make. Now I have taken my iron tawa. Now my tawa is heated. I am going to put the dosa batter. Keep the flame in low. Now put the idli chili powder on top of this. Now put some oil on top of the dosa. You can use ghee too. Because of the veg mayonnaise and the butter, the cheese, I am using oil instead of ghee. Now we will take the onions. Now I am adding some tomatoes on top of the onions. Now I am adding the capsicum. Now I am adding the carrots, shredded carrots, grated carrots. Dosa is colorful. Now to this I am going to add the mayonnaise. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise. I have added 1 full teaspoon of onions, only half a teaspoon of tomatoes, a small teaspoon of capsicum and grated carrot I have added. On top of this I have added the mayonnaise, and to this I am going to add the cheese. I am going to grate in this. Finally, I am applying little more of oil and I am going to cover this. I have covered my dosa for 2 minutes. Now we are going to see. Look at my dosa. It has been nicely cooked. It gives a nice smell, delicious smell. I am applying some more idli chili powder on top of that. And finally, we will cover it and remove it. I have rolled it, and now again I'm going to do the same dosa for you. I'll show you one more time. You can add the mayonnaise at this stage also, or else you can add all the vegetables and add. It's up to your choice. One tablespoon of onion I am adding. You can add more onions too if you want. I am adding the tomatoes again. Capsicum goes in this. I am adding the carrots too. Add the idli chili powder again to this. And finally, I'm topping up with the cheese. Look at my dosa. It's very wow. It's smelling delicious. My veg mayo cheese dosa. We will cover this for a minute and then we will roll it off. Look at my dosa. Wow. It's looking damn good. And when you eat, it will be even more good. Now I'm going to roll this off. My veg mayo cheese dosa is ready to be served. You can serve this with the chutney or you can eat like that itself. The taste will be damn good. Please do try it at home. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. See you.